name is Dan Briggs. I'm the executive chef and owner of Bewley's Restaurant. And today we're going to cook you a Cajun hash, which is all the fine ingredients that Cajun likes to do. These are rainbow peppers, and they like to cook them a little bit thick. They don't like them minced too much, otherwise it gives away the taste. So we leave them a little coarse sausage. That's why it makes it hot. And the Cajun are very into that. And then we also have a little spice here that we add into it, which is a Cajun spice. That'll give it a little more heat. So it'll look like if you blend them all in together. And we'll add in the andouille hash to get all the vegetables soft. And 2 scoops of scrambled eggs. And you just keep scrambling them up, letting it all brown out. And it's got colorful. That's very colorful. Cajun is very colorful. That's a nice part of this dish. And this is called a skillet Cajun scramble.